Transport your dirt bike and gear with confidence using the ProTech Motocross Crossbody Toolbox. Engineered for secure hauling and easy access. Built for riders who demand durability and convenience, this box keeps everything locked down and ready to go. Securely holds one motocross bike. Gull wing doors for quick and easy gear access. Built-in tie-down rings for maximum stability. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts. Go to protech.net for more information and to find a dealer near you.